Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language on the Resident Evil 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Resident Evil 2 game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the main menu. From here, if you wish to change the language, go ahead and click on Options. And now, from the Options menu, you can click on the language option. This will now show you 3 different option settings. You can change your voice language within the game by clicking on the sliders to switch between the various different languages, and you may also do the same for the display language that is used for your game menu and everything else. You can also choose to turn on or turn off subtitles within the game. After choosing all of your desired options for your languages, you can go back to the main menu and start your game, and you will now notice that your language settings have been applied to the game right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the language settings within the Resident Evil 2 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.